ChatGPT is a library, but Claude Opus 4.7 is a sales director. If your Shopify store isn't using it, you're losing. In 2026, Shopify isn't about products, it's about conversion velocity. And Claude just cracked the code. Most gurus are stuck in 2024. Today, I'm showing you how Nazmul Hub uses Claude to 5x store revenue. We aren't talking about writing basic descriptions. We're talking about autonomous revenue agents. These agents are like robots that generate revenue. They turn interactions into gold. I've analyzed over 200 stores this year. The ones using Claude's reasoning engine have a 40% lower CAC. Ready to see the future of your bank account? Let's dive into the logic.